In today's video, we'll cover the main weighted calisthenics exercises and some technical aspects of their execution. First on the list are weighted pull-ups. You can perform them with pronated grip, pull-up, or a supinated grip, chin-up. Remember to go through the full range of motion. Start with your arms fully extended and pull up until your chin clearly passes the height of the bar. When we say arms fully extended, we don't mean almost fully extended but slightly bent. We mean arms fully extended with locked elbows. This is a common mistake in calisthenics, so pay close attention to it. Additionally, try to keep your knees straight and avoid swinging, using momentum or any type of kick. Lastly, in calisthenics, we usually avoid crossing the legs. This is more of an aesthetic choice and can also be practical for other advanced progressions. Next, we have weighted dips. When performing dips, the elbow flexion should be deep enough so that the back of your shoulder goes below your elbow. Technically speaking, the posterior deltoid should drop below elbow height. Regarding hip flexion, it varies depending on the competition or rules being followed. Generally, some hip flexion is allowed. For example, in the Spanish regulations, a hip angle up to 45 degrees relative to the floor is acceptable. In other systems, what matters is ensuring that the weight plate visibly moves downward during the dip. To complete a valid repetition, the arms must fully extend, achieving locked elbows at the top. Finally, we have the weighted muscle-up. To be considered strict, you must follow these guidelines. Avoid bending your knees. A slight hip flexion is allowed, but knee bending is not. The movement should be smooth, without excessive pause during the transition. Lightly touching your chest to the bar is fine, but you shouldn't excessively stop or reposition yourself. You must not stop halfway through the movement to finish the rep later. As for the grip, you can use a high grip, but not a false grip. The difference is explained on screen. The final exercise is the heavy squat. For it to be valid, the main technical point is depth. You must break the 90-degree angle at the knees. Additionally, ensure that the movement is continuous, without any slight backward motion during the ascent. If you are looking for routine examples that include these exercises, check out Calisthenics app, where there is an entire section dedicated to weighted routines. You'll find the link on screen and on the description. Be sure to take a look. With this, you now have a basic guide to get started with weighted calisthenics. I hope it's helpful, and I'll bring more content on this topic if needed. Remember to give a like and subscribe for more content and follow me on Instagram. See you in the next video.